Hi, it's Grandma Annie and Freddy here. We're going to do an experiment today. We're going to make elephant toothpaste. Elephants are really, really big, so they need really, really big toothpaste. So this is a science experiment that your parent can help you do, and then you can play in it. It's perfectly safe, and it won't hurt you at all. So you need to have yeast. So we mix some yeast with water. That's what you use when you're making bread. It's this stuff here. You have to use that to make bread. And then you need some hydrogen peroxide. It's what you use sometimes to wash your mouth out with. And you need some soap from the kitchen, dishwashing soap. And you can use food coloring if you want to. I put food coloring in my bottle, but you don't have to do that. So, and you can help do this experiment with your parent too. So we're going to do it. So what we did was we put hydrogen peroxide in this bottle, and then we put, what did we put next? We put hydrogen peroxide. Oh, then we put a little bit of this dish soap in there, and then I squirted a little bit of the food coloring around the edges, and now I'm going to put Freddy down because he wants to go do something else. Now we're going to put this funnel in here, and you can help do this. So we're going to take this yeast mixture, and we're going to pour it in here. Are you ready to see what happens? I'm excited. Woo! It's elephant toothpaste. Isn't that fun? Look at that. It goes all over the place. It's really a fun experiment. And you know, this stuff doesn't hurt you to play in, so you can play in it. It's a good sensory activity. And your elephants can play in it. Oh, look, it's elephant toothpaste. It just keeps going and going. Can you see the pretty colors that are coming out of here? It's really pretty. It looks like elephant toothpaste. It's fun to watch this activity. So I'll write this down in the notes so you know just what to use for this activity when you do it, and have fun. So it just keeps going and going and going. It's fun to watch it. It does look like elephant toothpaste. Do you see that? How fun is that? So try this at your house, and it's a good sensory activity and language development, things to talk about, and it's really, really, really fun. So, my hands are too dirty to turn my phone off. Talk to you later. Bye.